So now let's move to CellCore.
Yep. So CellCore is a transducer, we classify as a transducerized tool. And again, for those that are unfamiliar with transducer tools.
Let's hand me this one, and then we'll put that one over a little farther, make
Okay.
sure it's in
That's
the
a good
view
call.
of.
So a transducerized tool, basically what's happening in a very high level is the motor's turning, right? And there's what we call a transducer. Basically, it measures torque, okay? And as the motor's turning, the transducer is talking to, we'll just say back to the motor. There's a lot of stuff going on in between there. But the transducer's talking back to the motor and saying, hey, if I'm targeting 10 newton meters, for example, like, hey, I'm getting close, okay, slow down. And then as it hits torque, and I'm way oversimplifying this, but as it hits torque or gets close to torque, it'll shut that motor off.
Okay.
So what's happening is you call it a closed loop system, okay? There's a lot of parts in there I'm leaving out for any experts on, they're probably rolling over right now. But
James Stanley will be hitting us.
I know, James gonna email me.
You missed out on the Newtonian equation.
Yeah. But that's what it is, and there's just for James, there's a servo in here. We know that. But basically, that's what's happening, man. And we use I would say a highly accurate transducer in CellCore, right?
Okay.
The cool thing about CellCore is you can talk directly to a controller, to the controller. Basically what I outlined earlier with the controller and the plant and all that stuff that's going on, tool language to plant language and blah blah blah. But you can also run this in standalone mode. So if you got a customer that wants, hey, I want a very accurate tool, you can still collect data and pull it off the tool. It's just not collecting in real time. So if you got a customer that doesn't need to shut the line down, right? If there's a bolt that's under tightened or let off early or something like that, CellCore is a great option for them. It's a big step up from a clutch tool as far as accuracy and collection too.
Yeah.
Okay. Nope.